Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I have an unboxing and slash mini review to share with you guys today. I got a purse from Coach. This is going to be very useful because honestly, I love the Coach purses that are just easy to use. I have quite a few of them now. I have like a square lock one. I have the Coach Pillow Tabby Mini, which is a very small size. In hindsight, I should have got a bigger one and I shouldn't have got the pillow one because I don't like how squishy the large ones look. I have a Coachtopia bag, and today's unboxing just so happens to be a Coachtopia bag as well. They wrapped it so freaking beautifully. Honestly, I already unwrapped it. I have the bag beside me, but I wanted to wrap the box back so you guys could see what it looks like. It also came with this little hang tag, and it has like, basically you can use it as an ornament. It says to and from on the back, but how freaking cute. I was not expecting it to be wrapped like this because Coachtopia, they're supposed to be more environmentally friendly and you're not supposed to get wrapping with this, but because it's Christmas, I think that's why. And I did write on a note, Merry Christmas. And I ordered two things. So one for me, one for someone else. So mine specifically had it, and I don't know if the other one does because I didn't open it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Such a beautiful wrapping job. Obviously I redid it so it's not the same, but it looked basically like this. So freaking cute. I'm so impressed with the wrapping. And there's also tissue inside. It came so perfectly wrapped. Even the cardboard box that it came in, there was wrapping on top of that. It was very beautifully wrapped. Before we begin, I just want to talk about bag inserts really quickly because you guys, if you follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, Instagram is _HelloHarley or TikTok is @HelloHarley, then you will know that I constantly do a bag of the week video because in 2025, I am weekly rotating my handbag collection. That way, basically all my bags get used, at least the ones that I can use on a daily basis, not anything that's like too tiny. But all my bag of the week's videos, I've been posting majority of them showing bag inserts, and I finally partnered up with Zoomoni, and they made me a specific bag insert for this bag that I've been wanting an insert for forever, and nobody has made a bag insert for this specific bag. There is one on the market, I believe, but it was from Australia and I couldn't get it shipped here. Now, this is my Louis Vuitton Sunset bag. It is from the Cerise collection with Murakami. And you can see I have so many tchotchkes on there. But this bag, because it is all denim, it is a little bit flimsy. And they were able to make me a custom bag insert. I just told them which bag that I had specifically. I even told them it was the Murakami edition. And they were able to curate me or design me a bag insert. So this is what the bag insert looks like. It's this beautiful blue color, and they did it so it matched the denim on the inside. Without the bag insert on the inside, the denim is fine, but it's very, very floppy, so you lose a lot of structure, and I find that it becomes a really big mess once I just have all my stuff in here. There is a pocket on the outside and then a pocket right here on the flap as well. But having a bag insert is going to be great because one, I picked felt because it is a little bit more structured, but they literally custom made this for me. So if you're looking for a custom bag insert, definitely check out Zoomoni. I also asked for pockets, so there's 2 pockets on either side of it. Also asked for the felt not to be too thick because I don't want to lose too much space in the bag. You can just see like how floppy the hardware is, specifically very heavy. But once I put the bag insert in, and it's such a strange shape, once the bag insert is in, there's just so much more structure. So you're not having the bag collapse in on itself. You can see that it's sitting very nicely upright, even though the flap is behind. If I take it out, you can see it gets very slouchy because there is no structure on the inside anymore. So Zoomoni is also based out of South Korea. They have felt bag inserts, silky bag inserts, and then you can do a customized bag insert as well. They also sell dust bags if that's something that you're looking for. So they also sent me a few little gifts that are used as bag organizers. So I have this little one. This actually might fit into my toiletry 15 just as an organizational aspect. There is this one as well, and then this one. This one I thought was going to fit into my niece BB here, but I think it's a little bit too large. I think they do have a niece BB size if that's what you're looking for. But what's great is I can use this one, and it just offers a little bit more organization because it's just like a large, you know, catch-all. So I can fill this part up and then put some lipsticks on this side or whatever, and then it offers me a little bit more organization. You can also use these in larger bags. Say you're merging out of a tote bag to another bag, then you can throw all your items in here and then just take them out. It's just great to have because it keeps your stuff very clean. And I'm actually probably going to use these in the new bag that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. Anyways, I have to say I'm very impressed with their craftsmanship. It is such good quality. I couldn't have made it myself because I have tried my hand at making some bag organizers and I succeeded with the Wallace, but I did make a bag organizer for a larger bag and the felt that I have just isn't as sturdy. This one is handmade by artisans. It's great. There is a logo on the inside here as well, and this fits into my sunset so well. I'm so happy to have a bag organizer for my sunset bag. It was really bothering me. The next thing I need for this is some sort of hardware protectant. So let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions. I wish Zoomoni had that, but I don't think they sell hardware protectors at all. But yeah, this is going to be great because now it just offers a little bit more structure into this bag. And the bag is already such a strange, awkward shape. So I'm so impressed that they were able to make this bag organizer. And it just fits so freaking perfectly. Look at that. That just lays completely flat and I don't lose much space because the felt is so thin. Thanks again, Zoomoni, for sending these products over. This video was not sponsored by them. They did send me these products. However, all opinions are, of course, 100% honest. If you have a handbag lover in your life, it's a great gift to offer them because it's something that they need and something that they will definitely use in their life. So thanks again, Zoomoni, and let's get on to the unboxing. I have here a Coachtopia bag. It is not my first Coachtopia bag. This is actually my first Coachtopia bag. This is the Coachtopia Erggo in a brown and white checkered. I get so many compliments on this bag, actually, and it's actually the bag of the week that I'm using. So if you're watching this, then I'll probably be posting my bag of the week the following week because I'm a week behind when it comes to bag of the weeks because obviously I have to use it for the week and then I post the bag of the week that I was using. But this is the Erggo. It's the regular size. I love it. It has this beautiful checkerboard pattern. I love a checkerboard print. I know it's like the millennial chevron, or maybe it's the Gen Z chevron. Because we used to love chevrons so much, but I love a checkerboard pattern. I don't know what it is. It's just so aesthetic to me. This is just a handheld bag. You can put it over your shoulder, but it's a little bit tight. And I like that it has this little area where you can make sure you put the hang tags on. And yeah, you can just put like little hand tags or you can attach some sort of purse pal onto it as well. But this is my first Erggo bag. We're not talking about her today. Today we're talking about my newest addition. The dust bag is massive. You can request no dust bag. I requested a dust bag because I like keeping my bags in dust bags, okay? I don't know why they gave me such a massive dust bag. It just says Coachtopia. It is their more fun brand. Coachtopia is part of their like green line, and it says, welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us on the road to circularity. So these bags specifically use, I believe, the leftovers or leftover leather that regular Coach bags have, and here she is. So this is the Coachtopia Alter Erggo Slouchy shoulder bag. I have it in the black patchwork. It says Coachtopia on the side here. It has embossing and debossing. So it's embossed, which means I can feel that it says Coachtopia, and then it is debossed, which means there is some coloring onto that leather there. Now, I've been eyeing this bag for probably a year now, and I was wanting this bag because I really wanted this in like the same kind of colorway like this, or an all brown. I think an all brown would be really nice, but they only ever came out with the black and white checkered, and then they came out with like a very Nightmare Before Christmas, like Sally's outfit colorway, where it was like blue, gray, and like a mauve color. That patchwork one sold out so quickly, but I need something that's a little bit more, I guess, user friendly. So this is the bag I went with. It has, again, the little fun acrylic Coachtopia bag charm or tag, and then on this side it says Coach, and then on the back it says Coachtopia. So it says Coach right here, and then Coachtopia on the back here. And then again, this is the acrylic tag that says Coachtopia. It has a shoulder strap that you can actually adjust. There's a ton of little belt loops here for you to adjust to, so you can have it shorter or longer. I think this actually fits perfectly under my shoulder. It will get slouchy once I start putting stuff in here. Otherwise, you can see it's pretty flat. This retails for $375 Canadian. It was made in Vietnam. And then if you do want to use it as a crossbody bag, you can, because it does come with a longer strap. Now these straps, they belt in, so you cannot just attach two straps onto it and then hope that obviously it works. It's not going to work that way, but I do like that these straps stay in place because they put these belt loop holders on this either side. So if you do want to have this as a crossbody, you can, or if you do put it on the last hoop, you can potentially just crossbody it. It does fit crossbody for me like this, but it is really tight on the shoulder. I think I'm going to leave it as a shoulder bag because that's the style that I've been liking a lot more. They do have a smaller size as well. So this is the regular size. They have a small Erggo slouch shoulder bag as well, if that's what you're into. Moving on to the inside, there's like a twill lining, which you won't really be able to tell. And there is a pocket with a button. Okay, so that's going to be nice because then it offers me a little bit more organization. Either side there is some sort of branding. It says Coachtopia made in Vietnam. So it just says Coachtopia made in Vietnam on this side here. And then there is on this one the Coachtopia, oh, you cannot see it, the Coachtopia tag as well, if that's something you're interested in. And it has silver hardware, so really nice. You can see that once I've opened it up, it's going to be very slouchy. It really reminds me of the puzzle bag essentially, but as a shoulder bag. And I've always wanted a shoulder puzzle bag. They discontinued those I think 2 years ago. I had the opportunity to buy it at a sale price in a white color at Holt Renfrew like 2 years ago during their Boxing Day. I didn't do it. I kind of hesitated, and then it sold. And then I thought, oh, I'll just buy it in black, or like I'll buy it in like green. And then they discontinued them. I never saw them again. So it's on my wish list as like a secondhand piece to look out for. But this kind of gives me that vibe, you know? What I really like about this piece is that it is large enough that it's going to hold my entire water bottle. When I'm out and about, I carry so many things. That is my whole 32-ounce Owala water bottle. I really like when bags are able to hold everything now. I'm usually such a small bag girly, as you can see, but lately I'm really loving a bag that can hold that. This probably can hold everything my regular Erggo can hold. So I'm going to transfer everything just so you guys can see. I have my wallet. So currently in here I have that Owala water bottle. I have my wallet. I'm going to put it in the back pocket here. I have a lip balm. Sorry, I have hand cream. Throw that in. Mincha mints. Throw that in. My emergency kit. This just houses like soap, nail file, like just emergency stuff that I need. So I'll throw that in. My coin purse, hand sanitizer, eye drops. I finally found those again, thank God. A Tide stick, tissue, throw all that stuff in. A lip gloss, lip balm. And then in this Coachtopia bag, I have a pocket. In this Coachtopia bag right now, I have a bunch of cash. What is that? Oh, the tag for this. This one was $430 Canadian. What? I thought this was way cheaper. That's crazy. So inside here, I have some lotto tickets, cash, my clippa, and some bandages. So I'm going to throw those back here. That's it for this. This bag is completely empty now. This bag is full. I love that it has a zipper so I can zip it up. And here it is. That's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, completely filled up with a water bottle in tow. I'm so excited to use this bag. I love that it has this little clip detailing so I can put a purse pal on there. No problem. It won't be in the way. But yeah, this is the Erggo Slouchy. I'm excited to use it. I love the patchwork design. It's black, but it still adds a little bit of interest to the bag. I think it's so, so, so beautiful. I love all the Coachtopia designs. I think they're just so interesting. There's also like a shoulder bag, basically like this shape, but a shoulder bag version that I'm looking at. And then it's also this patchwork design and it's brown. It's on my wish list, but do I need another bag? No, I have so many freaking handbags. What do I need another bag for? But I couldn't resist with this one. This one was so nice. The leather is really nice. The leather is so slouchy. It's buttery. It's beautiful. And I'm very excited for this bag. So let me know what you guys think about this bag. It would be great for travel if you are traveling. I just love that it is a zip. So also you can wear it this side if you're scared someone's going to go into your bag. At least you can do that. And you could also, if you wanted to, like buy something to secure this together, that way you know the zipper is not going to move around. So it's just something to look for in case you are going traveling. Fabulous travel bag because it fits a water bottle. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much for Zoomoni for sending me those products. I'm so happy with them. I will definitely be looking out for more bag organizers by them because I have a bag that I want to add in 2026. Anyways, you guys know the handbag business, it never stops, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, _Hello Harley. Follow me on TikTok at Hello Harley, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.